Good evening and welcome to today's Highway Encounters. We've already got about 65 people on board, and a few house rules before we proceed with the session. I'll request everybody to be on mute so that when our speaker is speaking, we are able to get an uninterrupted reception. Secondly, the session will begin with our speaker introducing the product and talking about the product. And then after that, we have Flora, who is in charge of the Low Vision and Vision Center of the Arvind Eye Hospital. She has actually tested this product with over 100 visually impaired people. So she will give her kind of experience of the product. And then if our speaker is Mr. Ramu Matangi, he's based in the US at the moment. He is the CEO of Smart Health Global, which is a technology company. And he got interested in the area of vision impairment, and he's created this. His setup his team who's worked on this product is based in Bangalore. And it's very promising in both in terms of features and in terms of pricing. So it's something which I think will not, like, unlike many of the overseas products where the pricing is 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs and 3.5 lakhs and so on. So this is very exciting prospects. And so we'll have Ms. Flora speak, and then after that, if Mr. Ramu has anything to add, he will add. And then there are 2 or 3 people who have logged in who have actually used this product. So they will kind of briefly share their experience with the product. And then the session will be open for question answers. So the rules of play: when the question answer starts, we will announce when the Q&A session starts. In the meanwhile, if you have any comments or you have any burning question that you can't hold on to, you are free to put that question in the chat box. Alt-H will get you to the chat box, and you can type there and then choose everybody or Ramu or whoever you want to ask that question to. You can put that question and then just press enter, and the question will be, the chat will be registered. So without taking too much of your time, I would invite Mr. Ramu Matangi to take over, and it's all yours, Ramu. Looking forward. And one more thing before I hand it over completely. Since there are people from all over India, the key points of the presentation I would translate into Hindi, so that people who are not particularly comfortable with English or the technical terms will also be able to grasp the. So when you talk about the product, and after you've finished with the features, maybe I will just take over and speak in Hindi and then hand it back to you. Thank you, Ramu.
Thank you. Thank you, George. Thank you so much. And thank you all for taking the time to come over. And this is truly an exciting time for me, because I can hear from you, the requirements, because this is a product that we interacted with people, and I have invited my my subject matter experts also here. Okay. So before I get into that, I just want to introduce my team. I have Sheila. Sheila is our philanthropy specialist, and she's been actively interacting with the various the teams. And then she conducted the testing of this testing at 14 blind schools in Bangalore, and she is the one who introduced me to George and Shabnam. And thank you, George and Shabnam, to give me this opportunity to present it to this this gathering. Okay, and I thank Flora Madam. Flora Madam, we started testing way back in October, okay, October 2020. And she has been of great support, and she has given so many points to be corrected. We have been doing it. And then, Flora Madam, thank you for coming over and to participate in this meeting. And I thank Kavita, Tanuja, and Mr. Nagaraj. Nagaraj has been a pillar of support for us, and he's been telling, okay, just why don't you go and try? And then a whole lot of people have showed interest in this product. And for us, what makes us happy is seeing this product used by you. Okay. Now I will share some of the screens that a small presentation I put together. Okay. Okay. Now I hope you can see the screen. So you, all of you can, Mr. George, you can, the screen is up.
It's visible.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, we can see the screen.
Yeah, we can see
Yeah,
this.
okay, great. Okay, this is Smart Vision, and the Smart Vision is supported by VisionAid. VisionAid is again a philanthropic organization out of Boston in the US. Okay, and see, this is this. What is our mission? Our mission is to, we are using technologies to find a solution for uncorrectable visual impairment. Okay, because majority of the visual impairments are, majority of the, about 50 to 60% of the visual impairments are handled by, ophthalmologic surgeons and physicians. Okay, so our aim is to focus on the uncorrectable visual impairments and using advanced technologies. I'll talk more about the advanced technologies in a minute. Okay, and also make an affordable device. That is the most important thing for us, because there are devices in the world like Orcam, but we want to make a device in India and make it affordable to for most of us. Okay. And
Ramu, let me just say this in Hindi also, because I heard some people saying. तो ये जो आज का जो कार्यक्रम है, ये यहाँ पर एक स्मार्ट ग्लासेस, ये स्मार्ट चश्मा जो है, ये स्मार्ट हेल्थ ग्लोबल ने इसको तैयार किया है। और ज़्यादातर लोग जब उनका आंखों का प्रॉब्लम होता है, वो लोग आंखों के डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, और वो लोग उन्हीं लोगों का सेवा करते हैं जो जिनका आंखों का जो प्रॉब्लम कोई निदान हो। तो रामू और उनका जो कंपनी है, वो लोग उन लोगों के साथ काम करने, टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करके उन लोगों के साथ काम करना चाह रहे हैं और काम कर रहे हैं, जिनके प्रॉब्लम को से डॉक्टर्स अपने हाथ धो लिया है। डॉक्टर्स ने कहा है कि हम आपके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। ऐसे लोगों के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा जिंदगी आराम करने का इरादा है इनका, और ये स्मार्ट ग्लास उसी दिशा में एक पहल है। राइट, ओवर टू यू।
Thank you, John. Okay, so shall I continue, Mr. George?
Yeah, please.
Okay, great. Okay, I have a small a clip, that talks from end to end. Okay, I will show you this clip.
Gift we have. Every image we see is a ray of hope, an image read beautifully. Unfortunately, not every human is privileged with this gift. According to statistics, there are 37 million blind people around the world and an appalling 15 million in India. In India, this figure rises to 40 million people with low vision and an astounding 1.6 million blind children in schools. Vision impairment is a serious setback in one's life, and the consequences it burdens a person with is heavy. They face challenges every day, in every corner, at every turn. Challenges to communicate, to socialize, to speak, learn, play. As a matter of fact, in every aspect and phase of life. Ophthalmology surgeons and physicians try their best to set right this impairment through surgeries and correcting lenses. But regretfully, 44% of the visual impairments are beyond correction, and medical science do not have solutions for these problems. Recent advances in artificial intelligence, machine vision, and machine learning will undoubtedly be of great support. They may not be able to see, but it certainly will help ease the life of the visually impaired. Smart Vision, a company based out of Bangalore, India, has come out with an innovative and advanced assistive device.
Reading now. I once was blind, but now I see. Wearable device for blind/visually impaired and a virtual guide to navigate things around you. Teacup in front of you. Face recognition. A wind is in front of you. Walking assistant. Obstacle. 250 centimeters away from you.
Smart Vision is exclusively made for the persons with visual impairment. Basically, we can do things independently, confidently, and successfully. It will convert, it will scan everything, and it will read perfectly. So whatever is there, the books, we will not depend on others. What I want to tell all the people is kindly make use of this product, and definitely Smart Vision is doing a very good work.
We invite you to be a part of that journey, a journey with a vision to support the visually impaired. Learn more about the wonders of Smart Vision by visiting www.blindvision.in.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just a short clip.
Yeah, can I just give a summary of the film in Hindi?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
सो ये जो फिल्म में दर्शाया गया कि दुनिया भर में करीब 37 मिलियन यानी कि 37 मिलियन लोग हैं जो दृष्टिबाधित हैं, और भारत में ही करीब 15 मिलियन ऐसे लोग हैं जो दृष्टिबाधित हैं, और अगर आप अल्पदृष्टित लोगों को भी मिलाते हैं तो ये 40 मिलियन तक जाता है, और 1.6 लाख मिलियन जो लोग हैं, यानी कि 16 लाख बच्चे हैं जो स्कूलों में पढ़ते हैं, और ये दृष्टिबाधिता उनके प्रगति के आड़े आता है। तो ये जो स्मार्ट विजन ग्लासेस जो है, इन्हीं लोगों को मदद करने के लिए तैयार किया गया है। और इस फिल्म में दिखाया गया कि एक बंदा किताब पढ़ रहा था ये स्मार्ट विजन ग्लास इस्तेमाल करते हुए, दूसरा उनके सामने एक मोर आया था, तो स्मार्ट विजन ग्लास ने कहा कि सामने मोर है, इट रिकग्नाइजेस पीपल, एंड देन उन्होंने लोगों को पहचानते भी है, यानी कि सामने कोई दोस्त आया तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये फलाना बंदा कोई अरविंद सामने है, उन्होंने कहा, ग्लास ने कहा। और आखिर में उन्होंने दिखाया कि जब वो चल रहे हैं तो 200 सेंटीमीटर सामने कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल है या 500 सेंटीमीटर सामने कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल है, ये स्मार्ट विजन लगातार जो दृष्टिबाधित व्यक्ति को बता रहे हैं। तो ये कुछ फीचर्स थे जो इस फिल्म में दिखाया गया। ओवर टू यू, राम।
Thank you, George. Okay, so smart, it is a small device. Okay, it's what we call it a wearable device. That is, it is clipped on to the glasses, because some people may be wearing some prescription glasses also. So it is put on some glasses on either side, and I'll go into the details to know what it has. Okay, and what it does, it detects obstacles in its path up to 4 meters. So whenever there is something in front of you, and then it tells you, okay, there is an obstacle 2 meters ahead of you, or 2.5 meters, or 3 meters, or 1 meter. Okay, it recognizes. It looks at there is a camera, and it looks in front of the things around you, and then tells what are those objects, and then it can also identify people, And then another thing is it can also tell approximate age, and it asks you, and if you attach a name to that image, it tells no, so and so is in front of you. Okay, and it can read books. It can read books in Indian languages like Hindi, English, Hindi, all in like Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, all the Indian languages. Okay. So, and how this device can do, and I will go a little bit more into the details. So this is a device. So the device, here is the picture of the device. On either side of the device, there are it's packed electronics, and it has a camera, equivalent to the eye. This camera is a high definition camera, and then it takes pictures. It takes pictures one by one, and it sends it to the processor, like a human brain. It sends to a processor, and then processor has got this intelligence, this what we call it artificial intelligence and machine learning, and so that tries to compare. Today, if I wear these glasses, ahead of me there is on my right there is a cup, and it recognizes the cup and then compares with its own brain. What is it? And it says, the brain says it's a cup. Then now the processor says it's a cup, and that in English it comes to your ear, and there is a small speaker, and which translates there is a cup on your right. There is a mobile phone on your left, like that. It keeps telling. So the camera, and also what we have is the camera has and there is a small camera flash. Why on the low light conditions, the flash comes on and detects the objects. And then we also have on the a lidar. Lidar is for light detection and ranging, where what it does is it sends short laser pulses, and then if there is an object in front, it detects, and then and it also finds what is the how far it is. What we use a technology called the time of flight, and then it detects how far is the object and tells in your ear, this is there is an object at so and so distance. And there are a few functional keys, what we call, they're all touch, and these keys are braille coded. So you can just go near that the key, and then it has got a function. The first function, it is the things around you. Okay, things around you. So when you touch this thing, and then the camera looks at what are the things around you, and then it tells you in your ear what is the thing like. Today we have only, it tells you in English, and then in future maybe we will put it in different languages. Okay, so and the next is reading mode.
Let me just come in here. Okay. तो ये एक सामान्य चश्मा जैसा है, सामान्य चश्मा में लगा रहता है। इस पे दो कैमरा है जो सामने लगा रहता है, अपने चश्मा फिक्स होता है, और फिर साइड में कुछ ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस होते हैं, छोटे छोटे हैं ये। और तो पहली जो बात है, ये जब आप किसी भी दिशा में देख रहे हैं, तो जो सामने है वो कैमरा कैच करके जो प्रोसेसर है वहाँ तक पहुँचाता है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन। और अगर आपके बाएं तरफ कप है, तो वो कप को पहचान के वो प्रोसेसर आपके कान में एक स्पीकर है जिसमें वो कहता है कि ये कप है, दिस इज अ कप। या राइट हैंड साइड पे कोई मोबाइल फ़ोन पड़ा हुआ है, या कुछ मेज़ है, या मेज़ के ऊपर किताब है, वो ये कैमरा देख के प्रोसेसर उसको पहचान के स्पीकर के माध्यम से आपको इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है कि ये चीज़ें क्या है आपके इर्द गिर्द। फिर एक लिडार है जो आपके ग्लासेस पे लगा रहता है, जो सामने जो चीज़ें हैं उसको वो देख के वो ये कंप्यूटर को सूचित करता है। और पहले उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो आपके सामने जब आप चलते हैं तो 4 मीटर के दूरी तक, 4 मीटर मतलब करीब 4 इंटू 3 इज अबाउट 12 फीट, 13 फीट के दूरी तक अगर आपके सामने कुछ बाधा है तो आपको बताया जाएगा। और एक और चीज़ ये कहता है कि अगर आपने इसमें किसी फोटो पे किसी का नाम लिखा है, यानी कि आपके माता पिता के नाम या आपके दोस्तों के नाम या आपके गुरु के नाम आपने लिखा है, तो जब भी ये लोग आपके सामने आते हैं या आपके इर्द गिर्द होते हैं, अगर आप उसकी तरफ देखते हैं तो ये कहते हैं कि आपका फादर यहाँ पर है या आपके मदर है या आपका भाई है, आपका दोस्त है। और जब वो उनको देखते हैं वो आपको ये भी बता सकते हैं कि उनका अंदाजन उम्र भी क्या है। तो अगर कोई 55 साल का बंदा आपके सामने खड़े हैं तो बोलते हैं कि अगर आपको उनका नाम लिखा है तो उनका नाम से पहचान के आपको बता देंगे वो 55 साल का है। तो ये आपको बताएंगे। और फिर उन्होंने कहा कि जो किताबें हैं वो अंग्रेजी और जो भारतीय भाषाएं हैं जैसे कि हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती, मलयालम, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, उन भाषा में जो भी किताबें हैं, प्रिंटेड किताबें हैं, वो आपको पढ़ के सुनाता है। और yeah, I think that is it. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah, thank you.
सर इसका प्राइस क्या है?
नहीं, ये आप सवाल अभी नहीं पूछेंगे, सवाल अंत में पूछेंगे जब आपको सवाल जवाब का टाइम आएगा। अभी रामू का वक्त है, रामू बात करेंगे अभी। बोलिए रामू।
Yeah, so the second button is the reading mode.
Yeah.
So when you want to read, you have to keep the book in front of you, like maybe about 15 centimeters from this thing, and it's in its view, in the camera's view, you have to keep the book. And then what it does is it reads the entire text at once. And then what it does is it starts, it starts talking about, what is there. It starts saying, like, let's say here, speaker, clips, battery, like that. It goes. Whenever you want to stop it, you can touch once and then it stops. And then you want to continue, you can tap again. And if you want to go from the beginning, you want to read it, you want it to read it from the top, you can do double tap and then it reads from the top. And when it reaches the end of the page, and then it tells you reach the end of the page, and you turn over. Then you go to the next page. So this is the reading mode we have. And there are lots of softwares that you use today. They provide this facility. Okay, and this can also find out manuscripts. Like someone scribbled, there is a paper, someone scribbled something on it. You want to see that what is that note? You will be able to read that particular manuscript also. Okay, and the next button is what we call it a detection, like Josh sir has already mentioned about if someone is coming in front of you, and then it looks at that person and then tells you the gender, male or female, and then tells approximate age, and then also it tells expression. If they're smiling at you, then it tells, like, suppose a friend of mine is coming in front of me, and it tells, okay, a male, aged 40, smiling at you, and then it asks, do you want to tag his name? Then you say yes. Then I say, okay, his name is Murali. Okay, I say, then it says, you said Murali, is it right? I say, okay. Then it captures that name. Next time Murali comes in front of me and it says, your friend Murali is in front of you. Okay, so this is there's a third button. And the fourth button is you can also go in for, you can, whenever you want to increase the volume, suppose you're walking in a crowded place and there is a lot of ambient noise and you want to increase the volume, you can tap it. You can tap, and then if you want to bring down, if you want to tap quickly, it goes up. And if you tap slowly, then the volume comes down. So these are the things on the left side of your spectacles. The electronics has got the camera, your LiDAR system and the flash and all these touch keys, and also a speaker and the processor. Okay. And on the left, on the right side, and there is a microphone, and it can be charged with a USB charging point, like the mobile charger. You can use a mobile charger to charge this spectacles, and also we provide a mobile charger along with the specs, and there is a on-off switch. On-off switch, we made it in such a way that when you turn on, and then it beeps. It says it's a beep, so that you know for sure that it has been turned on. And there is a battery. We use a LiPo batteries, like the kind of batteries that you use in your mobile. And then this can be whenever the life of the battery goes away. Then what you can do is you can open up. There is a cover like you have it in your TV remote, and then you can open and then put a new battery, and then you can and then you also have, this comes in different varieties, and that suppose we have different specs that you can use. This is what we call it a universal mechanism. You have it for large, medium, and small, and then you have these universal clips that we use it to clip to your specs.
Yeah. So shall I just quickly?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, translate this.
Yeah.
So ये राइट साइड में सारे कंट्रोल्स हैं, जैसे रामन ने अब कहा कि ये किताब पढ़ते हैं, ये हैंड राइटिंग भी पढ़ता है, जो अगर कोई हाथ से लिखता है. So हैंड राइटिंग इन एनी लैंग्वेज or only in English?
Right now it's in English.
अच्छा, अगर अंग्रेजी में हाथ से लिखा है कुछ तो ये पढ़ते हैं, और फिर जो आपको जो सामने बाधा में आपके सामने कुछ है या आपके टेबल पे कुछ है, ये अभी इस वक्त सब अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं, बट आगे चलते चलते ये हमारे भारतीय भाषाओं में भी उपलब्ध होगा. फिर जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि अगर आपके सामने कोई बंदा आया है और आप चाहते हैं, आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि ये जो आपके सामने है, आप इनका नाम जानना चाहेंगे, तो आप अगर हाँ कहते हैं तो वो बोलेगा, फिर आप उनको नाम बताएंगे. जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि इनका सामने कोई मुरली आए हैं, तो वो कहेंगे कि मुरली, तो ये रिकॉर्ड करेगा और फिर पूछेगा कि क्या आपका दोस्त का नाम मुरली है, तो आप कहेंगे हाँ. तो अगले बार जब मुरली आपके सामने आएंगे तो ये कहेंगे कि मुरली आपके सामने है, और वो इतना ही नहीं बताएंगे, ये बताएंगे कि ये उनका उम्र क्या है और इस वक्त उनके चेहरे पे क्या एक्सप्रेशन है, क्या वो मुस्कुराए हैं, मुस्कुराते हुए हैं, या गुस्से में है या रो रहे हैं, जो भी है एक्सप्रेशन वो आपको बताएगा. और इसका बैटरी जो है ये लिपो बैटरीज है, जो टेलीफोन चार्जर के माध्यम से ये चार्ज होता है. And this battery services you for how long? Once you charge it, it carries on for 1 or 2 days, or you have to do it every?
No, if you're using it continuously, so it lasts for right now, it lasts for about 2.5 to 3 hours continuous if you're using it continuously.
तो अगर आप लगातार इसको इस्तेमाल करेंगे कि तो ये 2-2.5 घंटे तक ये चार्ज रहेगा, उसके बाद आपको दोबारा चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. और अगर बैटरी का आयु जो बैटरी एक्सपायर होता है पूरा, तो ये बैटरी मार्केट में भी अवेलेबल है, तो हम इसको बैटरी को निकाल के ये लिपो बैटरी को रिप्लेस करके फिर आगे काम चलेगा. तो ये है son, or the speakers are in both the ears or only in one side?
On one side. On
the left side.
On the left side, yes.
Okay. इसका जो स्पीकर है जो आपके कान आपको बताता है सब कुछ, वो लेफ्ट साइड पे है, और जो आप राइट साइड पे स्विचेस है जो आप ऑपरेट करेंगे. अगर आपको पढ़ना है तो आप अप्रोप्रिएट स्विच को दबाएंगे, टैप करेंगे. अगर आपको इर्द गिर्द जो साधन है उसको पहचानना है तो फिर दूसरा स्विच आप टैप करेंगे. अगर आपको लोगों को पहचानना है तो तीसरा स्विच आप टैप करेंगे. अगर आप भीड़ भाड़ के बीच में है जहाँ पर बहुत आवाज़ आ रहा है और आपको वॉल्यूम को इंक्रीज करना है, तो आप जल्दी टैप करेंगे तो वो आवाज़ को इंक्रीज करेगा. अगर आप धीरे से टैप करेंगे तो आवाज़ को कम करेगा. और किताबें जब भी पढ़ते हैं, अगर आपको जहाँ तक आप पढ़े वहाँ से आगे पढ़ना है तो आप एक बार टैप करेंगे. अगर आपको फिर शुरू से पढ़ना है तो आप डबल टैप करेंगे तो वो पेज के ऊपर से टैप करेंगे, और जब पेज खत्म हो जाता है तो वो आपको कहेंगे कि पेज खत्म हो गया, दूसरा पेज निकालो, तो फिर आप पेज टर्न करेंगे। तो ये काफी एडवांस लेवल का ये है, और ये लोग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लैंग्वेज वगैरह जो आजकल का जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, इसको इस्तेमाल करते हुए हमें ये सुविधाएं उपलब्ध करवा रहे हैं। और हमें लग रहा है कि जिस गति से ये आगे चल रहा है, हम दृष्टिबाधित लोग जो है आगे चलकर दृष्टिबाधित होना मेरे ख्याल से एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। राइट रामू, कैरी ऑन।
Sure. Okay. So I'll just briefly talk about the technologies. See, this could not have been, not possible about, we couldn't have really talked about this kind of things, about 10 years back, because only of late, the new technologies like artificial intelligence, machine vision, machine learning, and the LiDAR, on the cloud-centric intelligence, all these things are coming only of late, like in the last 10 years. There's so much of advancements in the technology that made the things possible. Okay, so we couldn't have thought of all these things about 15 years back, and our artificial intelligence started coming only. And now each and everything is available, so we can freely make use of it. Actually, the first product was introduced by one gentleman in Microsoft. His name is Squab Sheikh, and he's from Microsoft as a software developer. He was born blind, and he thought, why not I use this technology to bring it out? And he's the first one to bring out this technology, and he made a small device to do a few things. And he is now in England, and is a part of Microsoft, and he's the founder of what is called the Seeing AI. And most of you must be using his, the technology on your smartphones.
Yeah, Seeing AI actually is limited to iPhones at the moment, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, but some of the functions that you talked about can be performed by Seeing AI.
Seeing, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and the way we designed this device, we have what we call it a inclusive design. Okay, and because the product is designed to rely on non-visual cues, we have a small, suppose you want to know whether you have turned on the battery. So when it comes, it beeps. Okay, it beeps, and then also the touch keys, they're all braille coded, and then you don't have to press hard. You just just do a feather touch, and then they are braille coded. And the sensors are placed, at different locations. That is, the camera is placed close to your eye, and the speaker is close to your ear, and the microphone is right in front of your mouth, closer to your mouth. And in any specific scenario, the sound is, it's placed very close to your ear. And the weight of the device is divided for better balancing. The first model, we had it on one side, so it was drooping. So what we did was we divided the electronics and put on either side of the, other spectacles. And we provided a camera flash so that it works in all light conditions. And the audible signal, like I already talked about it, and the universal clips to fit on any frame size.
This, what is the micro? You didn't talk about the microphone. What is the function of the microphone?
The microphone is today, suppose you want to identify someone's name. Okay.
Okay. Right, yeah. I got it. Murli, when you were
Murli.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Murli. And in future, what we want to do, Mr. George, is that we want to make it what is called the hot words. Instead of touching the keys and all, I can always talk to the phone. I can talk to the phone. I want to read. When you say I want to read, it gets into the read mode. Okay, and tell me what's going on, what is around. Then it starts telling what is around. So what we call it, like today, you have this Alexa and all that. That the speech recognition technology is advanced to such an extent, then you can talk into the microphone and make it work.
तो अभी इन्होंने कहा कि जो आज हमें उपलब्ध है इस डिवाइस के माध्यम से 15-20 साल पहले, 10-15 साल पहले इसका सपने में भी हम इसका उम्मीद नहीं कर सकता था। अभी जो है ये, जैसे मैंने भी कहा कि मशीन लैंग्वेज हो या मशीन विजन हो या लीडर टेक्नोलॉजी हो या क्लाउड बेस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी हो या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हो, ये सब जो टेक्नोलॉजी है इसके बलबूते हमें इस तरह के डिवाइसेस बनाने का मौका मिला है। और हमारे जो दृष्टिबाधित लोगों का जो नीड्स हैं, ज़रूरतें हैं, उसको देखते हुए ये टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। और यही करके ये स्मार्ट विजन ग्लास को डेवलप किया है। शुरू में सारे कंट्रोल्स और सारे जो वेट था वो दाहिने तरफ था, तो इसके वजह से दाहिने तरफ पूरा चश्मा पूरा दाहिने तरफ लीन करता था। तो इन्होंने इसका बैलेंस भी अभी बना दिया है ताकि जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है ये दोनों तरफ लगा हुआ है। हालांकि माइक्रोफोन जो सुनने का जो ईयरफोन है वो लेफ्ट साइड पे है, और आपके सामने एक छोटा सा माइक्रोफोन भी है ग्लास के ऊपर ही, जिसके माध्यम से आपको अगर कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना है या कुछ किसी का नाम रिकॉर्ड करना है, कुछ करना है, तो आप इस यंत्र से बात भी कर सकते हैं। और इनका कहना है कि टेक्नोलॉजी इस गति से आगे बढ़ रहा है, जैसे कि आज के तारीख में इस डिवाइस में स्विचेस है जो आपको बस टच करना है, दबाना भी नहीं है, बस टच करना है। बट अगले 2-3 सालों में परिस्थिति ये होगा कि ये स्विचेस का भी कोई जरूरत नहीं है। आप सिर्फ बोल सकते हैं कि सामने कौन है, हमें किताब पढ़ना है, या हमारे इर्द गिर्द क्या है, और फिर ये आपको बोलेगा कि क्या है। तो बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है ये, और it's sounding very exciting, the future with all this technology coming in, and okay, carry on.
Yeah, thank you. So these glasses, the smart glasses, come in a carrying case, okay, and the carrying case will have a user manual, and then also like a battery charger, everything that you can put everything together in a small carrying case, okay. And moving forward, what we want to do is, like, if you have any problem, this we are, suppose you're facing any problem with this particular vision, you can speak in the microphone. That particular message comes to us. We can find out what is that message that you are sending us. Like, so this is not working properly or something like that. That is the kind of technology also we are working on. It's not yet implemented, but it's easier for us and also for you. You just, okay, it's not reading properly or anything like that. Those messages we can pick up because it is connected to the internet all the time. Okay.
So how big is this carrying case?
This will be about 6 inches by, this is about 6 inches by 5 inches.
And this is hard cover or soft cover?
Soft cover.
Okay, so it'll the device is kind of safe inside, or
yeah, the device is safe inside. George, yes.
तो ये जो डिवाइस है ये एक केस के साथ आएगा जो 6 इंच बाय 5 इंच का सॉफ्ट कवर में है। इसमें डिवाइस होगा, डिवाइस के साथ एक मैनुअल होगा, और मैनुअल के साथ एक चार्जर भी होगा। और इनका कहना है कि अभी तो फिलहाल नहीं है, पर आगे चलकर अगर ये डिवाइस में कुछ नुक्स होता है या कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो आपको सिर्फ माइक्रोफोन में बोलना है कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो इंटरनेट के माध्यम से ये कंपनी को भी मिल जाएगा ये सूचना, और वो रिमोट इस यंत्र को वो लोग रिपेयर कर सकेंगे. That's what I'm saying. You can remotely correct the problem, right?
Yeah, we can, if it can be correct, if it's a correctable problem, we can remotely correct it. Mr. John. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think I pretty much covered all the aspects of this particular one. Okay. And
Maybe Flora can now share her experience.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, George, for translating all these things. Thank you very much.
So अभी तो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हमें जानकारी मिला. अभी फ्लोरा जो है ये मदुरई में अरविंद आई हॉस्पिटल है, वहां पर उन्होंने करीब 100 दृष्टिबाधित लोगों के साथ ये प्रोडक्ट का टेस्ट किया है, तो उनका अनुभव वो संक्षेप में हमें बताएंगे. So Flora, you'll speak in English or would I need to translate it at the end?
I can speak in English. I'm sorry, you have to translate it.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay, fine. So I'm Flora, and thanks to Mr. Ramu for giving this opportunity to share my experience on Smart Vision. So, you know, Aravind serves a lot of visually challenged people, nearly like 30 patients we are seeing in a day. So we have a lot of experience in handling these kind of devices, but especially we do have low end to high end, like the RCAM we do have. So we have the experience of like handling these advanced technologies. So when Ramu Madangi like approached us like on testing this device, we were so happy. Aravind was so happy to test this device because we do have, Aravind always finds affordable solution for the visually challenged. So we were so happy. And we have taken 1 month and we have seen so many patients. We have tried these devices. We have explained to the patients as well as we have given handheld like experience. They use the device, they'll feel experience, and then they'll share their feedback also. So we have taken feedback in that way. And we have tested with all age groups. So not only the adults and cooperative patients. So we have tried from the pediatric, adult, and even in geriatric populations. So some of the like positives they have given, and we felt that is a positive in the device, and as well as the patients. I've listed those points. As Mr. Ramu Madangi said, it reads all Indian languages. That is a main like a positive features in the device, because if you take other devices that will read only English and Hindi, so it is very difficult to read other languages. We couldn't get it. So this device will do all language, read all languages, which will really help the patients. And it's affordable range. So we do have RCAM. We tried with our patients. We know how much cost it is, and even eSight also. So it is affordable to all patients. And another best feature is it reads handwritten notes. Some of the patients are asking, some of the person is asking in the chat also, will it read the handwritten notes? It will read the handwritten notes, even in English. We tried Tamil also. It read Tamil language also. And the other positive thing is it will read the modes, everything. It's written in the Braille options, which will really help the visually challenged person. Easily they can find where they are, which mode they are, because all the starting letters it will be there. Things are on me in the sense it's stay. So it is easily they can identify it. And things around humor is overall it's really good, because it will let the persons knows what is there in their environment. Especially in the pediatric level, we liked it a lot, because at the earlier stage, we'll train our patients to explore their environment in the early childhood, because when they are exploring their environment, they can learn a lot. The overall development will happen, the global development. So mostly if you see the visually challenged children, they'll sit in one place, they never bother about their surroundings. They may not understand what is near to them. But this device will help them to identify their environment. So moving around in their place, it is really easy, and they learn a lot. So that is why we like this more. And ability to store face. A lot of devices has this device. Even RCam has this features like it will store, we could store number of faces, and it will let you know when the person comes again. It will let you know who is in front of you. If you already saved, it will let you with the name. If not, it will let you know whether it is male or female. But this device will let you know the expressions also, age with the expressions, because as a visually challenged person, knowing someone is there, it's okay, I'll be happy. If it is let me know like whether the person is happy with your presence or not, it's an added value only. And it detects the obstacles. So now for navigation, this is really helping people. That is another features, and it will let you know, it will help you to identify the color. So these are all the positives in the Smart Vision when we tested with our patients. And some of the points they've given, even we felt that is really a value added points, which we have let the team knows it will help them in the future version. So what are the points, if you know, means like this device, the Smart Vision glass will work in, you need internet connection. So you need a Wi-Fi connection to work. But lot of people, if you take, they may not have like internet connection. And even though if they have internet connection in their place, if the connectivity is good, they can use the devices. If the connectivity is not good, then it will be a problem. So it should work in offline mode. That is a first point. And if it connected with like a phone or a Bluetooth connectivity is there, means will be good, because the volume in some extent you can increase, which will help you in indoor. If you go outdoor, you need some extra volume. And the change, the detection mode and walking mode. See, things around me, it will let you know what it is. But when you navigate, it will let you know only the obstacles. So we have requested the team to combine these both. When I'm moving, if the device let me know what it is, will be helpful. Instead of saying this is obstacle, if it let me know this is chair or this is wall or this is like a bottle, so this will help you, the visually challenged. And it need voice over command, because see, we are thinking to try not only with the visually challenged, we want to try this with the pediatric group, like those who are having a problem, like multi-handicapped children, like special needs.
Hello?
So if they use the devices, if they have any problem in their motor coordination, it will be difficult to access it. Because it's basically a gesture-based thing. They have to touch the correct point. So if they have problem, again the touching will be the problem. So if you give an option like voice over command, will be helpful for them. Even those groups can use these devices really. And presently it is not recognizing the currency, because some of the patients, they have given these points. The currency identifications will be if you add these features in this, will be helpful for this. And so these are all the, like, I won't say this is negative points. There is a lot of positive points. These points, if they add it in their next version, will be the effective device in the market, and it really useful for the patients also. Hope this will be helpful to you.
Yeah, thank you, Flora. Now I have the task of translating this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. तो फ्लोरा जो है, मैंने कहा मदुरई में जो अरविंद आई हॉस्पिटल है वहाँ पर कार्यरत हैं। ये वहाँ पर रोज करीब 30-40 पेशेंट्स को देखते हैं जो दृष्टिबाधित हैं, और उनके साथ इन्होंने जो इजराइल का जो प्रोडक्ट है ओरकैम, और जो दूसरा इनसाइट है, और ये जो स्मार्ट विजन ग्लासेस है, इन तीनों को इन्होंने टेस्ट किया है। और पहली बात यह है कि ओरकैम और इनसाइट जो है वो 3.5-4 लाख का प्राइस है, वो दाम है उसका। जब इन्होंने बच्चों के साथ इसको ट्राई किया, जो जवान है उनके साथ भी ट्राई किया, और ये जो बुजुर्ग लोग हैं, वृद्ध लोग हैं, उनके साथ भी इन्होंने प्रोडक्ट को ट्राई किया और इन्होंने कहा कि जो बच्चों के साथ बहुत ही प्रभावशाली है, क्योंकि बच्चों को जो इर्द गिर्द जो एक्सप्लोर करना है एज ए चाइल्ड, वो एक मौका मिल जाता है। नहीं तो बच्चा सिर्फ बैठ जाता है एक जगह पर, उनको मालूम नहीं कि इर्द गिर्द क्या है। तो ये ग्लास के वजह से बच्चा उठता है और फिर देखता है कि दीवार है, दीवार पे क्या टंगा है, फिर मेज है, मेज के ऊपर क्या है, और कमरे में दरवाजा कहाँ पर है, ये सब बच्चे को अपने आप इस डिवाइस के माध्यम से पता चल जाता है। और फिर ये चल फिर भी सकता है, सामने बता कि ऑब्स्टेकल है तो वो बता देता है। तो ये जो फीचर्स है ये बच्चों को बहुत ही लाभदायक है। और फिर जो बड़े जो युवा युवती हैं और जो वर्किंग लेवल पर है, उनको भी ये काफ़ी मददगार है। और बुजुर्ग लोगों को भी ये काफ़ी मददगार इन्होंने कहा कि है। बट इन्होंने ये कहा कि कुछ इसमें कुछ सजेशंस हैं इनका। एक तो ये तो इंटरनेट बेस्ड है, तो हो सकता है कि जब अगर कनेक्टिविटी अच्छा नहीं है कहीं पर, तो फिर ये प्रॉब्लम ये फंक्शन नहीं करेगा। तो इनका सजेशन है कि अगर ये मोबाइल फ़ोन का जो डेटा है उसके साथ अगर ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट हो सकता है तो फिर ये बहुत ही अच्छा होगा। फिर इन्होंने कहा कि ये अगर करेंसी नोट्स हमारे जो रुपए हैं उसको रिकग्नाइज करता है तो फिर ये ज़्यादा प्रभावशाली होगा। फिर इन्होंने कहा कि ये जब आप लोग घूमते हैं तो सामने जो है अगर कुछ बाधा है तो सिर्फ वो कहता है कि ये बाधा है, पर उनका दूसरा जो फंक्शन है जो इर्द गिर्द जो सामान है उसको पहचानता है। तो इन्होंने कहा कि अगर ये दोनों फंक्शन कंबाइन किया जाए, ताकि जब आप चलते हैं तो सामने एक बक्सा पड़ा हुआ है, या सामने कुछ कंप्यूटर पड़ा हुआ है, या सामने कुछ स्कूटर खड़ा है, अगर ये उस तरह से आपको हिदायत दें तो फिर ये ज़्यादा लाभदायक होगा। इस वक्त बस सिर्फ कहता है कि सामने बाधा है। तो अगर ये सुधार हो जाए तो फिर ये ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण। तो इन्होंने कहा कि संक्षेप में ये बहुत ही अच्छे फीचर्स हैं, पर इन्होंने अपने अनुभव से और जो जहाँ पर टेस्ट किया उनके फीडबैक के बेसिस पे इन्होंने और भी सजेशंस दिया जो ये रामू मातंगी और उनका टीम इसको और भी सुधार सकेंगे आगे वाले वर्जन जो आएंगे। तो क्योंकि ये टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड है और सॉफ्टवेयर बेस्ड है, हो सकता है कि ये मुझे मालूम नहीं, आप रामू जी से पूछ सकते हैं बाद में, पर हो सकता है कि ये अगला अपडेट जो है आपको फ्री में मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि दिस सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट जो पीछे बैकएंड से वो डेवलप करके आपको अपग्रेड कर देंगे, तो आपका भी डिवाइस जो है वो अपग्रेडेड हो जाएगा। तो शायद ये कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है। तो हमारे साथ 2-3 ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो इस डिवाइस को एक्चुअली यूज किया है। एक तो है मिस्टर नागराज।
Mr. Judge, sorry
Yeah.
to interrupt. Tanuja will be sharing the feedback because she knows Hindi very well.
Okay, sounds good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanuja. So will the other two be speaking, Kavita and Nagaraj?
They'll be in English, sir, but Tanuja is in Hindi.
Okay, so let Tanuja speak and maybe one of Nagaraj and Kavita can speak, and then we can open up for question and answers.
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, so Tanuja, you could unmute yourself and speak.
Miss Tanuja?
Tanuja, you have to unmute yourself. We have unmuted you.
Am I audible now?
Yeah. There you are.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Tanuja from Bangalore. सुनाई दे रहा है? मैं am I audible?
बिल्कुल सुनाई दे रहा है.
Okay. Actually मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट यूज की, स्मार्ट विजन जो स्पेक्टिकल है यूज किया है मैंने, और काफी हद तक हेल्प करता है। मैंने उसको अपने घर में यूज किया है, बाहर यूज किया है। जैसे मैं स्पेक्स यूज कर, जैसे हम बटन टच करते हैं कि थिंग्स अराउंड अस, तो कोई अगर मेरे आसपास जो इर्द गिर्द कुछ अगर मैं टच कर रही हूँ क्या है, तो आराम से बताता है कि मेरे घर में कि सोफा आगे रखा है, सोफे पे क्योंकि मेरी बेटी का पिक्चर उसमें पिक्चर उसमें फेड है, तो बताता है कि चेताली सिटिंग ऑन द सोफा वेयरिंग वो कलर ड्रेस, कौन सा ड्रेस का कलर पहनी है वो बताता है, तो उसका वो जो ड्रेस पहनी है वो बताता है, वो स्माइल कर रही है वो बताता है। और उसके अलावा भी मतलब ये तो अंदर की बात हो गई। अगर वो ब्रश कर रही है, मैं उसको फोकस कर रही हूँ, स्पेक्स पहन के देख रही हूँ कि ब्रश कर रही है, तो वो बताता है कि चेताली इज ब्रशिंग हर टीथ, ऐसे बताता है। मतलब हर चीज मतलब एकदम आराम से बताता है। और इसके अलावा कि घर के अंदर कोई आ रहा है, तो जब मैं बैठ के देख रही हूँ कि तो वो तब भी बताता है। ज्यादा हेल्प इससे होती है कि हम जो भी पढ़ाई करते हैं, पढ़ाई में बहुत हेल्प करता है। जो रीड करते हैं हम पेज मतलब सारी लैंग्वेजेस जो पढ़ते ही है, तो बेटी को जब हम पढ़ाते हैं तो हम खुद भी देख रहे हैं कि मतलब क्या पढ़ रही है क्या नहीं पढ़ रही है। हमको आराम से सारी लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी इंग्लिश कन्नड़ा सब पढ़ता है, तो फिर दिक्कत नहीं होती। आराम से हम देख रहे हैं कि कैसे कैसे पढ़ाई करने में आसानी हो रही है। और इसके अलावा भी ये हो गया पढ़ाई का हो गया और जो रीडिंग का हो गया। और जब हम बाहर उठ के चलते हैं तो तब बताता है हमको कि आगे मतलब आगे ऑब्स्टेकल है, बस यही बताता है कि ऑब्स्टेकल है बट आसानी होती है फिर भी, नॉट बैड। लाइक जैसे कि पहले हर किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होना पड़ता। मैं अपना बेसिक ये बताती हूँ कि जैसे सब्जी वाला आ गया बाहर लेने के लिए, तो जैसे मैं बाहर जाती हूँ तो बताता है कि देयर इज ऑब्स्टेकल, मतलब इतनी दूरी पे ऑब्स्टेकल है, वो बताता है मेरे को, ताकि मैं जाके टकराती नहीं हूँ, वो जो ठेले से टकराती नहीं हो, तो मेरे को पहले से पता चल जाता है। जा रही हूँ सब्जी लेने के लिए, घर के बाहर निकल रही हूँ, उस तक आराम से मैं बगैर किसी से टकराए मैं आराम से पहुंच जाती हूँ। तो और ये वो हेल्प करता है, इतने में हेल्प करता है। मतलब कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जिसमें एक्चुअली जो हम जिससे कंप्लीटली चैलेंज थे पहले, अब ये हेल्प करता है। अब ये इस चीज से हेल्प कर रहा है कि हम लोग इतने मतलब डिपेंडेंट नहीं है किसी के ऊपर, खुद से हम इंडिपेंडेंट है। कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं मतलब जो आगे फोर कमिंग में हमने बताया, फीडबैक दिया है उनको, आगे वो भी हेल्प हो जाएगा, वो करेक्ट कर देंगे कि बीच बीच में मतलब अगर रीड करना है तो आधा रीड करना, अगर मतलब बीच बीच में कहीं पॉज करना है, रिवाइंड फॉरवर्ड करना है, ये सब बताया तो ये सब भी वो कर देंगे। इसके अलावा ये यूज किया है हमने इसके, और हमारी पॉकेट्स के लिए सही है। इंडियन पॉकेट्स पे हम जो यूज कर रहे हैं मतलब इतना महंगा नहीं है, अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं। एक ये भी बात है कि इतना जैसे दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स हमने देखे हैं तो वो लैक्स में है, और ये तो हम अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं। मतलब जितने भी हम लोग जिस किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो शायद अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं। इंडियन पॉकेट्स के लिए इतना हैवी नहीं है ये।
So Tanuja, when you go out, you need to use the cane also. You can do without the cane now.
अभी के लिए तो हाँ, यस सर, अभी के लिए तो केन यूज करना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि मैं जहाँ फोकस कर रही हूँ ये मुझे उतना ही बता रहा है। जैसे कि मैं नीचे देख रही हूँ तब बता रहा है कि नीचे क्या है, ऊपर देख रही हूँ तो तब मतलब बिल्डिंग्स के ऊपर रीड कर रहा है, या जो भी बैनर्स है या जो भी बोर्ड्स है रीड करने के लिए, तो मुझे वहां पर फोकस करना पड़ता है। क्योंकि ये पिन होल पे मतलब जहां पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं ना, तो हमको ये वो चीज बता रहा है।
हेलो,
क्योंकि हर बार ऊपर नीचे देखना बनता नहीं है ना जब हम बाहर चलते हैं, तो इसीलिए मेरे को नीचे के लिए एक केन यूज करना पड़ रहा है। बट केन यूज करके अगर हम पहन के चलते तब भी बहुत हेल्पफुल है सर, क्योंकि हमको पता चलते रहता है कि हम लोग कहाँ से कैसे गुजर रहे हैं। मतलब ये हेल्प करता है सर, पहनने पर बहुत आसानी से हमारी हेल्प होती है कि हमको पता चलता है, हमको ये पता चलता है कि हम लोग रोड की किस साइड है, ये हमको बताता है। आसपास क्या है ये हमको बताता है, रीड करके बताता है कि वहां पर आसपास क्या है, बताता है। अगर हम उसको मोड ऑन करते हैं तो रीड करके बताता है। अगर हम बाहर कहीं खड़े हैं, थिंग्स अराउंड अस बता रहे हैं, तो तब बताता है कि आसपास क्या है।
तो
वो हेल्प होती।
अगर आपको रोड क्रॉस करना है तो आप इसका यूज कर सकते हैं।
जी सर
रोड क्रॉस करने के लिए
हाँ यूज कर सकते हैं सर। ये कैसे हो रहा है मतलब कैसे होता है, स्केन तब भी चाहिए, अभी प्रेजेंटली तो केन चाहिए इसके साथ हम यूज रोड क्रॉस कर सकते हैं, बट फिर भी केन की जरूरत तब भी है, क्योंकि आगे का बताता है, नीचे ओवरऑल नहीं बताता है ना। ये 180 मतलब हमारे पूरा नीचे तक कवर नहीं करता है। जहां मैं आगे देख रही हूँ बस उतना बताता है, उसके नीचे क्या है वो नहीं बता रहा है। तो नीचे डिवाइडर वगैरह कुछ आ रहा है तो उसके लिए मेरे को केन यूज करना ही पड़ेगा सर, केन यूज करना पड़ रहा है।
ओके
हाँ जी
ठीक है, is there anything else आपको कहना चाहेंगे इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में? या
सर मेरे लिए तो क्वाइट हेल्पफुल है सर, जहां तक मैंने इसको यूज किया है काफी हद तक हेल्पफुल है। हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत चैलेंजेस है जो मैंने आपको बताया अभी, क्योंकि ये मतलब मान के चलिए 70% हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंट है इसके साथ, 30% हाँ फिर भी डिपेंडेंसी है, बट फिर भी 70% हमको इंडिपेंडेंट बना रहा है, क्योंकि हम जान रहे हैं हमारे घर में कोई आ रहा है, और क्योंकि हम ब्लाइंड्स हैं, क्योंकि मेरे घर में मैं मेरे हस्बैंड दोनों ब्लाइंड्स हैं, ठीक है। और जब हम अकेले होते, कोई बाहर से आ रहा होता है, तो हमको थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है ना कि पता नहीं कि कौन है। अगर कोई पहचान वाला बंदा आ रहा है तो रीड कर रहा है कि उनकी फोटो अपलोडेड है, तो रीड बोल रहा है कि ये बंदा आ रहा है। अगर नहीं है, अगर सपोज कोई नया बंदा आ रहा है, फिर भी हमको पता चल जाता है सर, काफी हद तक हेल्पफुल है।
सो दिन में आप कितना घंटा ये चलाते हैं, ये यूज करते हैं?
सर हमने इसको ना 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा तक यूज किया है।
Okay.
आराम से 1.5 घंटा यूज किया है।
Okay.
हाँ जी,
Right.
कंटिन्यूस यूज किया है। हाँ जी, हाँ।
Right. Okay. Thank you, Tanuja.
हाँ,
Tanuja, please can you explain few lines about facial storage? You missed that point.
Facial storage, yeah, I mentioned, madam.
Yeah, she mentioned the facial storage.
Oh, okay, thank you.
She said if people known to her, if their face has been, if their photograph
My
is,
daughter's photo is fetched there, na.
Okay.
So whatever
Yeah.
activity she'll be doing, na, madam, whatever activity my daughter does, it tells us. Okay, she's leaning on the sofa, she's sitting and studying, she's brushing, like whatever she does, it is being told to me.
so she can't play tricks on you. She can't.
Yeah, we can catch hold if she's going mischievous, we can catch hold of us.
Okay.
Yeah, like in reading also, whether if she's reading or not, if she's doing something else, I'll come to know like what is she up to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sheila, you want Nagaraj or Kavita to also share?
Yes, sir. The Nagraj can say it, sir.
Okay. Nagaraj.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So good evening, everybody. So for me, this device I got from Rotary Udyog. Mr. Shekhar is my co-president.
Yeah.
And my introduction, I work for State Bank of India as a deputy manager, and I'm the president this year for Rotary Bangalore Abilities. And this device, actually, we thought of doing this pilot project from our club, actually. And that is why I took it for 1 week for looking into it. So basically what I found out is whatever is there around us, everything it will show, it will say whether whoever is coming, whatever is like there, whether this door is there, or all these things, it will give the things. And not only that, especially for us, I'm working in bank, reading it is very much helpful. So if somebody asks me, they give the letter and they ask me, I checked it, I verified it before signing it. So this is very, very useful. And immediately after reading this first page, we can immediately go for the next page. And it's really helpful. I read 1 or 2 books with the help of this, because I'm fond of reading, actually. So this device really helped me. And face recognition also. One person, especially my daughter, I recognized, I recorded her name, Bindu. So whenever she comes near to me, immediately it says Bindu coming, Bindu is coming. So I will be able to recognize my daughter has come. So even though it's like a sighted person, we will be able to recognize. So it's such a nice, useful device. I think all of us should explore, experiment. And only the thing like volume is also there, very good volume we can get, like when we are going in the road. Once I explored, when I was sitting in the ground, it was showing you're surrounded by grass. And when my 2 daughters were sitting, 2 people are there towards your right and left, 1 person. Like if I turn right, 1 person it says, if I turn left, it says 1 person. So like that. So it whichever directions the spectacle is focused, there it shows. But one thing, as many people said, internet connection is very much needed, so that if there is no internet, it's little difficult. Apart from this, we need to know two things. One is that whether if any damage happens, is it we can do the service, or is it possible to get repaired? So if that clears, so really it's very useful, especially for our community. We can definitely make use of such device. Thank you.
Thank you, Nagraj.
Thank you, madam.
Madam, where can we get that device? Madam, can
Before that, I'd like to thank Sheila madam, Ramu sir, and George sir for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Srinivas. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, can you hear
Sir,
me?
now, sir, now we can move on for Kavita. Mr. George, can we move on to Kavita?
George is on mute. George, can you? Yeah, please carry on. We can then take questions after that.
Yeah, so Kavita can speak now. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, Kavita, please.
Yeah. First, I would like to congratulate to Ram sir and team for their dedication and researching and introducing this wonderful device for visually challengers. And during this lockdown time also, somehow that guy Prashant, he reached to my house and gave this device to me. And I was so excited when he gave this device to me. And I started exploring it. I really had a wonderful experience. When I opened that device, first I touched braille embossed letters. I read that one and asked him what is the meaning of this, and he told me, and the menu is there. You can go to this menu and read all the instructions. And he just told me that how to on the device. And on your right side, below you can see you can feel one button. So we just on that device. One music will come. Connecting to hotspot, it will say we have to switch on our mobile hotspot, and it got connected. First thing which I started was our Kannada newspaper, which is our mother tongue and regional language, India's regional language. So I started reading newspaper. It read me so beautifully, and wherever advertisement part is there, yeah, it told me it shows like advertisement, and read the content. And English newspaper also we tried, and book also. And next, things around me, that was also very exciting. All the things which was there in my house, it told me very accurately. Tube light, my television, our door, and in which color it is there. Everything it was reading me. Color of our chair, sofa, and cot, everything. Bedspread cover, including that also, it was reading. So it was very nice experience. And all my family members' name, we through facial recognition, through that we feeded the data, and we named it. So whenever my mother is walking around, it will tell Suvarnamma walking around, and my brother Sandeep, he is walking wearing blue t-shirt, like that it was saying. And So altogether, it was wonderful experience. Main menu, it indicates main menu in the Braille. T, R, W, F, and V. T means things around you, R means reading mode. W, walking mode. Walking mode was also, it was saying only obstacles. So in the next version, if they add few more features, like whatever obstacle is there, if it mentions, it will be even more wonderful.
Combine T and W, right?
Yeah, combine T and W. Right, you are right. And then in Wi-Fi mode also we can use. V means Wi-Fi. So that was also there. And when I was reading book, it was nicely repeating. If I want to read it again, when I did double tap, it was reading me. And in reading, coming to reading mode, it will be helpful for the students if you add few more features like it has to read spelling and sentence wise spellings and line, whatever mode they want to read. If you add a few more features for this kind of options, it will be even more wonderful. And then if you add USB option, whatever we have scanned, that we can save it, and next time we don't have to scan it directly, we can read it. So that option also will be very useful if you add. Next time will be reduced. We don't have to scan always. A huge book we don't have to scan again for means like textbooks and all. So these are the things which I experienced. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
Yeah, thank you, Kavita.